Hi, I am Kumar. Today I am here. Today I am here to teach you some basic skills in cricket, like batting stance and some forward defense and back foot defense. Okay. Before we go to a practice session or a match, we basically need some warm up for our muscles. Okay. We'll start with the warm up now, and we'll move on to the practice session. Okay. First, make a normal walk. Loosen your legs, arms and everything. Just make a walk. Walk around. Shake your hands like this. Shake your hands. Kick your legs forward. Keep moving. Keep moving. Now hands up and shake your hands. Kick your legs forward. Kick your legs forward. Move. Okay, good. Now take a small jog, slow jog. Make a slow jog. Jog around. Make a small jog. This will be very helpful for you to play a game or a practice session. Okay, now you lift your knees high and you keep moving forward. Okay, follow me. Okay, now jog. Again. Now jog. Lift again. Jog. Okay, now change. Keep your hands back behind your butt and just tap your butt using your heel part. Okay? Now jog. Again. Okay, we'll change now. Now, try to keep your legs forward and slightly bend, then move. Okay, jog. Again. Now move. Okay, now relax. Now relax. Come to a place. You have enough place to move your hands and legs. Okay. Now, first thing, we'll interlock our fingers. Just lift it up, up, up. Try to lift it up. Now, on your toes like this. On your toes like this. Lift it up. Good. Okay, now take a walk around. Walk on your toes now. Walk. It will relax your upper body and lower body too. Walk. For the last round. Okay, now relax. Take a normal walk. Take a normal walk. Take your hands, legs. Okay, freeze. Freeze in one place and follow me. Now, hands on your hip. Now rotate your neck. Rotate your neck. Now reverse. Okay, now half rotation like this, like a moon, like the shape of a moon. Okay, now behind. Okay, now shake, rotate your hands forward, both of your hands, to make your shoulders free. Good. Now reverse. Good. Now hands on your shoulders and rotate. Rotate. Good. Keep rotating. Now reverse. Okay, now keep your hands forward. Okay, just bring your elbow up and down like this. Good. Now relax. Hands on your hips now. Now rotate your hips fully. Stretch it fully. Try to stretch it fully. Okay, now reverse. Okay, good. Now bring your both legs together, hands on your knees. Now rotate. Now reverse. Okay. Now bring your right leg forward and bring it up. Just rotate your foot. Okay. Now put it up and down. Up and down. Okay, now change. Okay, good. Now spread up your legs. Put your hands up and try to touch the ground. Don't bend your knee. Touch the ground. Good. Again up. Hands up. Then slightly bend and hold your toes. Hold your toes. Good. Now up. Keep your right leg forward and hold your toes with both the hands. Hold. Good. Now change. Hold. Good. Now bring your hands forward. Bring your right hand forward and with the help of your left hand pull your fingers back. Good. Like this. Okay, can you see me? Right hand forward. Using your left hand, you pull it back. Okay? Now change your hands now. Change. Pull it. Hold it for 5 seconds. Okay, good. Now bring your right hand to your left shoulder. With the help of your left hand, just pull your elbow. Okay, now bring your left hand forward. Move it to your right hand and pull. Hold. Okay, relax. Relax. Okay, now you have 10 seconds of time. You can go, add some water and come back. I hope you all had enough water. Okay, now we'll move on to the main session to learn how to make a perfect batting stance and some defense and some drive. Okay, do you all have a bat with you? Like this? Bat. Okay, if you don't have a bat, you can use broom or a pipe or a stick which is similar to the bat. If you don't get anything at your house, that's okay. We'll play as a shadow cricket. Just hold your bat like this. Imagine that you have a bat in your hand and you use it. Okay? Now, just hold a bat. If you have a bat, hold a bat. Or else imagine that you have a bat in your hand. Just swing to my leg side. To my leg side. Good. Now to my off side. Swing. Good. Now leg again. Now off again. Now straight. We'll swing it straight. Now we'll swing it straight. Good. Okay? Again leg. Swing. Relax your hands. Free your hands. Okay, good. Now straight again. Good. Have you all seen A.B. de Villiers who plays reverse? Now we'll try reverse. Good. Swing. Again, once again. Swing. Good. Now we'll move on to the main session. I'll teach you how to make a perfect batting stance which all the professional cricketers play. Okay? First thing, we learn how to grip a bat. Can you just open up your fingers and show me? Like this. Can you see the V shape in between your fingers? Good. Now we'll bring our bat like this. Keep your bat like this. If you are a right-hander, open up your right hand. Keep your right hand first. Okay. If you are a left-hander, left-hand batsman, that's fine. Open up your left hand and keep it first close to the handle and the bat. Okay. And next thing, if you are a left-hander, your right hand comes behind. If you are a right-hander, hands change. Okay. Right hand up and left hand down. All show me how to hold a bat perfectly. This is your grip. Once again I'll show you again. Okay. Open up your fingers, bring your V shape in between the bat handle and hold like this. Okay. This is how you perfectly hold a bat. Don't get your hands so close, you cannot move the bat together. Okay. Just maintain some distance, 1 inch of distance. Okay. Next thing is distance between your legs. It should be always to your shoulder width. Okay. How big your shoulder is, you just keep your legs so much. Don't move it so far so that you cannot balance your body, and don't keep it so close. So when the ball comes, you cannot move. Okay. Make sure that your legs are equal to the shoulders. And the next thing is, both the legs should be parallel to each other. Don't keep your one leg forward and one leg behind. That's not a perfect stance. Okay. Both the legs and your toe tip should be equal. Okay. Got it right? Okay. Just do with me. Just keep your legs apart with your shoulder width. Okay. Got it? Now show me how to keep your legs equally parallel to each other. Okay. Good. I hope you all are doing that. Okay. Next thing is your knee. Your knee should be slightly bent forward towards your toes. Okay. Not like this. It should be slightly bent forward. Okay. And your upper body should be always straight to the bowler or to the opposite wicket. Okay. Always your shoulder should be forward and your eyes should be always on the bowler. Okay. Not like this. Don't bend like this or like this. Okay. Just keep your upper body straight like this, and always your shoulder should face the bowler. Okay. And next thing is holding a bat. Okay. In which level you have to hold your bat and in which position. Don't hold your bat so high so that you cannot play fast when the ball comes. If a fast bowler comes, you don't get so much of time to lift the bat from here and to swing. You may get easily bowled. So always your bat should be to your hip level like this. Okay. This is your perfect bat holding position. And the next thing is, when you are holding your bat, don't hold it behind your body like this. When the ball comes, you cannot play. It touches your body. Okay. It touches your body and you may miss the ball. And don't keep it so wide like this. If you keep the bat so wide away from you, suddenly if the ball comes, you cannot play it straight. Always straight. Always whoever plays a straight bat will get a ball easily. Okay. So don't hold your bat so wide so that you cannot play straight. By the time you get the bat from there, it will be ball will easily go inside. So make sure that keep your bat away from the off stump, slightly away, so that you can get the bat easily. Okay, when the ball comes to you. Okay. Now we all will do it together. First thing is holding a bat grip. Okay. Next thing is position. Which position you are holding the bat. And the other thing is legs apart from your shoulder width. Okay. Don't keep it so far. Remember, keep it apart from your shoulder width. And the next thing is slightly bend your knee like this. What? Slightly bend your knee and keep your upper body straight always and your shoulder pointing bowler or opposite stumps. Okay. This is the perfect stance. We'll do it together now. First thing is bat grip. Lift your bat up Next thing is, keep your legs together, apart from your shoulder width, slightly bend your knees, keep your upper body straight. This is your perfect stance. Okay, I hope you all have got it. Just watch me once. This is my perfect batting stance. Just watch me once. See, this is the perfect batting stance. Okay, don't bring the bat up or down or forward. That will be difficult for you to play towards the ball. Okay, now I hope you all got to know the perfect batting stance. Now we'll move on to some shots like defending and drive something. Okay, now we'll move on to the front defense, forward defense. Okay, my first thing is, just you all show me. First thing, just tap your bat down when I say 1, tap your bat down when I say 2, lift your bat up when I say 3, bend your knees, keep your upper body straight, and when I say 4, you all will move your front leg forward, bend it slightly and defend. Okay, and defend. Watch me once. See, I'll show you. Changing my position again. 1, when I say 1, tap it down. When I say 2, lift it up. When I say 3, slightly bend your knees and keep your upper body straight. When I say 4, bring your leg forward. When I say 5, you defend. Okay, always when you defend, you just keep your bat low. Okay, because when the ball hits the bat, it may not go in the air. So make sure that always your bat will be low. Okay, all together. You all can do together with me. Okay, ready? 1. When I say 1, tap. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, got it? Ready? We'll do it again. We'll do it again. Come on. You all almost got it. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Defense. Okay? Ready? We'll do it again. Once again. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. That's a perfect front foot defense. Okay? We'll do it for the last time. Okay, ready? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? You all got how to do a forward defense, right? Front defense. Okay, now we'll move on to the back foot defense. For back foot defense, we all do the same thing. See, 1, 2, 3, till 3, it will be the same thing. When I say 4, you will move your left leg behind and go back. Okay, that's a 4th. Okay, just see, when I say 4, move your left leg back and drag your front leg back, and then when I say 5, you will defend. Okay, got it? I'll show it once again. Okay, just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Defense. Okay, now we'll do it. I'll just change the position and show you. Okay, it will be easy for you to watch. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, good. Okay, you all do along with me now. Okay, we all do together. Chalo, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, good. We'll do it once again. 1, 2. Always eye on the ball. Shoulder should be facing the bowler. Okay. 3. Bend your knees. Keep your back straight. Okay. Then 4 and 5. Defense. Okay. We play back foot defense when we get a spinner or a fast bowler who bounces the ball to our hip level. Okay. Because when the bowler is bouncing a ball, you cannot play it forward. It may hit your helmet or your face. So make sure that when the bowler is bowling a bouncer or a length ball, just go behind and defense. When we are opening the match, make sure that we are not playing it in the air, right? We play it down and we make the ball hold, just defending the ball. Okay? For that we mainly make defense. Okay, ready? We'll do it together again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Defense. Okay? Okay, ready? Once again. Back foot once again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? I hope you all got how to make a back foot defense. Now we'll do it from beginning. From front foot defense, again to the back foot defense. Okay? Now for the front foot defense. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is front foot defense. Okay? I'll show it again. Don't forget this. Keep all this in your mind. It will be very useful while playing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Defense. Okay? Now we'll move on to the back foot. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now when I say 4, you have to move your back leg, not your front leg. Okay? Chalo. 4. Back leg and defense. Okay? We'll do it once again. I'll just change my direction and show you. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Defense. Okay? I hope you all got it now. Good. We'll do it for the last time. Okay? Front foot defense perfectly and back foot. Okay? Now front foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Defense. Always keep your bat low. Just balance the bat when you are defending. Keep one thing in mind. You don't use your right hand power to defend. When you use your right hand, the ball may go in the air. So always use your left hand. All the strength in your left hand. So always the bat will stay low. It may not go up. Okay? Keep that in mind. I'll show you once again. See, watch. When we play it in right hand, we play it slowly. Ball goes in air. So make sure that use your left hand and defend the ball. This right hand will be just for your support. Okay? That's it. Don't use it. Don't push it forward. It may go in the air. Got it? Ready? We'll do the front foot defense again. Keep in mind, we always keep our bat low. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What? This will be your perfect defending position. And make sure that, one more thing, make sure that whenever the ball is coming close to you, you move your legs towards the ball. Okay? Don't keep your leg away and play. Ball. Okay? Wait, I'll just show you an example. Okay, I'll get the ball and show you. Okay? Until then, just keep your legs together, keep it forward, and defense. Okay? Okay, once again I'll get the ball and show you. Okay, imagine that I have a ball coming from a bowler. Okay? I have a ball. I'll just place my ball here. And imagine that ball is there, pitching there. Okay? Ball is pitching there. So what I do is, I don't keep my leg here and defense. That's not a perfect shot. That's not a perfect defense. It may easily hit you and go back to the slip or somewhere. You may easily get caught. So always get your front leg close to the ball. Then you make a defense. Watch. When the ball hits, it stays here. It may not go anywhere. Okay? So always make sure that wherever the ball is coming, you have to move your front leg there. Okay? Once again we'll do it. Imagine that the ball is pitching here. So what I do? I keep my front leg close to the ball, then defense. Okay? We'll do it again. We'll do it again. I'll change the direction. I'll show you. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always see? Close to the ball. And 5. Defense. Okay? Got it? Okay, the next thing, we'll move on to the back foot. When the bowler is bowling there, you imagine that is a spinner. When the spinner is bowling a good spin, you cannot keep it there. Okay? You have to just, when the ball is slightly spinning, you cannot play the shot in front foot. So always, we hold back, we stay back, and we go back and defense. We have lot of space, so we can see the ball spinning towards which side. Okay? Got it? Keep this in mind. When you are facing a spinner, you always, easily play a back foot drive or a back foot shot, so that you can easily find out in which side the ball is going to turn. Okay, we'll just play one back foot shot. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. See, imagine if the ball is going there, what I do? 5. Okay, I cannot play it forward because the ball will turn easily. Got it? I hope you all have understood how to make a perfect batting stance and a perfect front foot defense and back foot defense. Okay, I hope you all have learned something. Now, after this, after a game or after a match, you all need some cool down session. Okay, why cool down session is, we have given more work to our muscles and to our bones and everything, so we need some exercise and relaxation for those muscles and legs. Okay, so we take a normal walk now. We move on to the cool down session. Take a normal walk, shake your hands like this, walk, take a normal walk. You cannot just suddenly make your body free. Okay, take a normal walk. Okay, now come close, relax, relax, breathe in and breathe out. Okay, when you go up, breathe in, when you come down, breathe out. Okay. Okay, now sit down like this, keep your legs forward and just move your knees. Okay, tap your knees so that you can loosen your calf muscles, thigh muscles and everything. Good, like this. Got it? And next, bring your left foot up. With your right foot, you just tap your calf muscles. Using your shoelace part, you can tap your calf muscles like this. Okay? Now change again. Change the foot. Change the foot. Okay, good. Now keep your hands straight, bend forward and hold. Hold. Try to hold. Okay, good. Now bring your right foot forward and pull it back so that it may relax your hip joint. Okay? Good. Now next, relax. Hold. Okay, good. Now lie down, keeping your tummy down. Hold your hands near your shoulder and bring it up. It may relax your back and core muscles too. Relax. Keep your hands straight, head up. Hold it for 30 seconds. Okay? Okay. We have done with our cool down session. I hope you all have enjoyed the session with me and you learned something new today, like perfect batting stance. Okay, and we'll move on to the. Okay, you have learned some perfect batting stance today. Okay, thank you for doing the session with me. Keep logging on, watch the videos to learn more about all the sports and games. Okay, thank you.